future, the difference between man and machine has become academic. Existence is defined by thought, and being human has become a liability. The legendary cyberpunk classic finally comes to television in an all-new original series, Ghost in the Shell Standalone Complex. New episodes every Saturday night at 12:30. The future is now.
Dish On Demand pay-per-view has turned Fridays into Family Movie Fridays. It's the perfect way to spend quality time with your whole family. Tune into Channel 532 and look for the word family in your on-screen guide. Every Friday, you'll find a variety of hit movies that are appropriate for the entire family to enjoy together. Where else can you find so much family fun for only $3.99? This Friday, spend some quality time with your family. Order a movie from Dish On Demand pay-per-view.
I know I deserve lower prices and better customer service. Just not getting what I need from cable.
Whose fault is that?
The cable company.
Take this Club Dish gift card and repeat after me. I deserve Dish Network.
I deserve Dish Network.
Group, sugar. Come on. Give the Club Dish gift card. Earn $60 each time a friend joins. Up to $720 per year. Same time next week, group. Oh, and bring a friend.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
We will crush them! It's time goes to the mayor, coming Adult Swim!
Brought to you by McDonald's. I'm loving it.
Hey, it's me.
Hi.
You want anything from McDonald's?
Whatever, you know what I like.
Sure.
I have no clue what she likes. Most of the time, I'm thinking about bass fishing. Ooh, a lot of choices on the dollar menu.
That. All of it.
Who knows you better than me, huh?
And here's something else you'll love. A treasure hunt 2,000 years in the making. National Treasure. Only in theaters rated PG.
Shave your beard. Not your face. Introducing the new Norelco Cool Skin Shaver. Close as a blade with less irritation.
This holiday, Xbox gives and gives. Get a console with 2 games, EA Sports NCAA Football 2005 and Top Spin, plus 2 months of Xbox Live for $149.99. Rated everyone.
The Space Ghost Coast to Coast Volume 2 DVD box set. 14 heart-pounding episodes and enough special features to make you rip your own ears off. The Space Ghost Coast to Coast Volume 2 DVD box set. Just keep telling yourself, it's only a DVD. It's only a DVD. It's only a DVD.
It's only a 2-disc DVD box set.
The Space Ghost Coast to Coast Volume 2 DVD box set. Buy it now.
$320 years have passed since the Covens